This is a brief demo of Archive Express, the lightweight desktop product for archiving directly to your enterprise content management system. Archive Express can also be used to streamline SharePoint archiving to your ECM system, but this demo will focus specifically on archiving from a user's local file system. When Archive Express from SeeUnity is active, it sits in the application tray. Here we can see the mapped folders. At its most basic, Archive Express connects a local file system folder to a corresponding folder or object on an ECM system. In this demonstration, we're connecting the local legal folder on the C drive to a legal library on an eDocs system. Now, typically, in a live environment, a system administrator would roll out Archive Express across an organization pre-configured with mapped hot folders and the settings for those. So a user would not really need to go in and look at these settings. Here we can see the local folder, the ECM object or library that you publish to, and settings. And these settings essentially determine how much prompting is done, whether or not you are prompted each time you add content to the hot folder, or if you're going to manually profile information in a bulk fashion. So very simple. Most cases, users will never even need to see this aspect of Archive Express. Let's go ahead and take a look at how content is actually archived. So I've got the local legal folder that's mapped to the eDocs library up, and archiving is as simple as simply adding content to this folder. Let's go ahead and quickly create a demo document. In this case, we'll just save it to the desktop here. Now, if we drag it into the folder, we should very quickly see Archive Express recognize the document has been placed in a mapped hot folder and then prompt us to define the profile for that document. That's because we left that checkbox in the configuration checked. So that means anytime content is added or changed, we'll be prompted to enter information about those changes. So here we've got pretty standard profile data. As this is a legal library, we're determining the client, the matter, document type. We can also determine how we secure the document, retention policies. We can determine if we want to keep a local copy, and if it is local, do we want to check that document out so that people looking on the eDocs library will see that that document has been checked out to us. Well, let's not do that so that we can actually see when we go ahead and click Save, we should very quickly see this document has been pulled off of the local system and then moved up to the eDocs system. Now, we're not covering it in this demo, but I should point out that this is a view of an eDocs legal library viewed through SharePoint. This is using the SeeUnity Enterprise Integration for SharePoint product, which allows us to, using some custom web parts and other frameworks, allowing SharePoint to become the user interface and the user experience for interacting with the eDocs content. So even though we're looking at a SharePoint interface, what we're using that interface to look at is the actual eDocs library underneath. So we go ahead and refresh the view. We should see that the document that we just added has been brought up to the legal library. It'll take just a second for the system to refresh. Okay, perfect. So it's now refreshed. We can see the demo document has been added. We can see from the last edit that this is a document we just added. It's part of the legal library. We can go in and interact with it the way we would any other type of eDocs content that we have rights to. So very quick overview. We saw how easy it is to simply drag content over to a local HOV folder. As we're prompted, we enter the metadata profile information, and it immediately gets taken up. The demo Word document was taken off of the local hard drive immediately and then archived to the eDocs legal library that we had configured. So that's our very quick demo of Archive Express by SeeUnity. Thank you.